I'm not sure. No, I'm waiting for the numbers now. I don't know where we're gonna go. Oh, hold on.
I
got the numbers. Yeah. Oh, corn again? Oh, you're unbelievable. Here, take this. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, he says to buy corn, he says to buy beans, and he says look out for the gold. Yeah, I got the numbers from him. Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop loss order in place. Hope no one ever figures out it's Emini me that picks all these good trades. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Well, strange day today. We had some good ones, we had some bad ones, but boy, things are going well for the most part. We're going to talk about that corn market. I showed you a chart. I have one back here. We'll look at it again. We'll get to the corn. We'll get to a couple of other things. Today, we had orders in to buy corn at 412. The low was 413 and a quarter, and it just took off. We didn't get in. I used what I always use, which is my patience, and I didn't chase. Today happened to be one of those days I wished I would have, but that's not a long-term view. You can't just go in after a market because you missed it. Within minutes of me missing the 412 buy, it was trading 418. Had I jumped in right there and grabbed it, today would have been a good day to do that. What are the odds that that would have been a good spot to get in 5 cents after a move? So I stuck to my guns, and it cost me. I didn't catch the corn. And I was in the silver and gold, and they got stopped out. But I'm sure if you were watching TV and you heard the silver and gold, we got this Japanese yen swap going on where you can borrow large sums of money from Japan at a cheap interest rate, and you come in our country with the money and you buy up our currencies and our commodities and our stocks. They happen to be buying gold and silver today, according to what I've read. Cost me, but hey, what are you going to do? We'll come back at them again tomorrow. And speaking of which, Omni's bearish in the S&P. I know the whole world wants to buy it. I think it's time to get short this thing. I'm gonna short it towards the top, selling marching mini S&P ES87. We're looking for 62 to 63, 1462, 1463. Sell those bad boys. Put a sell order in out there. Get short. We're gonna keep some pretty tight stops on this, but I think it's time for us to test a little downside here. Buy stop 1467.5 or higher. If you get in at 62 or 63, gets you there to 67.5 mark, jump out, don't be short anymore. That means we got more bull coming. Profit objective, downside 1447, 1445. If we get a nice pullback after selling 62, 63, somewhere up there, we get down to 47, 45, would be a great trade. On the way down, you may see some support at 1451. Either way, be out by the close. Quick recap, sell 62 to 63, place your stops 1467.5, low or better, of course a little higher than that. We're looking for 1447, 1445 on the profit side with some support expected around 1451. That takes us to the NASDAQ, another red Omni. That Omni's doing well too as far as direction's concerned. NQ87 for the electronic markets, we're looking to sell the March NASDAQ 1848 to 1849. Put your orders in right up there. It's about $3 higher than where we are currently. Buy stop would be above 1853.5. So if you're going to get in at 1848, really tight stop on the NASDAQ. Look at it. 53 stop, 48 sale. Double up on that one. How bad can it be? It's a tight stop. So that's a trade that you may want to double up on. We're near the highs. You may get caught. But it's a really good risk to try and play with because the stop is so small. And if you guys are starting to catch on to what I do, when my work starts making me use shorter and shorter stops on a move, my work's telling me that that move's getting ready to peter out. So I'm telling you, take a look at this. I don't just dream this stuff up. My work tells me make the stops tighter. I got to follow what my work says. I've shown it to you in video after video, so stay with me on that. Again, sell the NASDAQ 1848 to 49. Place your buy stop at 1853.5, little teeny stop. We get hit, we get out, and that's that. Profit objective 1827 to 1825 on a bit of a pullback. That takes care of the NASDAQ. Remember, Omni, red and red on both of them, going down. Corn. Whoa. I can't believe we missed it. I know I told you that already, but what a monster. We got to go back to Monday's video. I had the guts to stand here and make a prediction. You go look at that, you'll see what I'm talking about. I think it's going to happen. Corn, March. It's ZCH7. ZCH7 is the electronic symbol. ZC. You probably want to place your orders tonight because it's a very, very, very strong market here. There's a lot of volume in there. There's going to be other people and me and you looking to buy this thing, so you may want to get your orders in. Corn March, ZCH7. Omni says higher. Another Omni going up. Corn, support 420. Omni's objective, 436, 438 by Friday. Omni's bull is negated if we trade below 412. Once again, the Omni and corn says higher. 420 is probably a good support area. The Omni objective on the upside, short term, 436, 438. Omni's bull is negated if we trade below 412. Wheat market, looks like wheat. It's got a green Omni. It looks like it wants to follow the corn, and I think it will. Wheat market, ZWH7, we're looking to buy the wheat at 471. We'd place, well, we're giving an Omni, we're not giving recommendations. 471, you have support in the Omni. The Omni objective, 486 and a half. Wow, that'd be nice. I hope I get that one. 471 buy, 486 and a half sell. Let's see what happens. Euro currency, stinker, I don't know. Looks like the euro wants to go down. Looks like the dollar wants to bull up a little bit here. Euro currency for March, ECH7 electronics. The Omni says resistance 131.65. If you don't know how to handle these Omni trades, it's probably an area where you would be doing some selling. I don't want to give too much away here, but that's the way we're going to handle the Omnis. So Omni says 131.65. Should run into resistance and start to drop. Omni's objective is 130.95 on the downside. That'd be a nice trade if we get it. If you look at the currencies, you'll see for yourself. Currencies do look like the dollar wants to rally a little. Currencies wants to get hit. I'm going to trade it that way. Remember, corn, bullish, very bullish. Wheat, bullish, mostly because of the corn. Two Omnis going up there. Euro currency, Omni going down. Omni going down in NASDAQ. Omni going down in the S&P. A little rally first and then a drop. I'm willing to trade it that way. We'll see how that goes. You know, really no lesson for us today. We'll save that for Friday. We got another day to go. Remember that corn chart? We looked at this on Monday. I'm sure you could probably see a little bit of it right here. That corn chart now is up here. Up here. Wait till you see. Soon, it's going to be up here. I'm telling you, this thing is going to go wild. Corn is going to go, hello. It's going to be over here at some point. Let's see what happens. Anyway, if you're at my YouTube spot, www.youtube.com/futures analyst. Hit the subscribe button. You'll get my videos the moment we put them out. If you would like to get on my flash updates database, my flash updates are essential for getting you in and out of these markets. When I'm changing orders, I'm making amendments to stops or to sell orders. You need to know about those changes. You need to know about them quickly. Give me an email at futuresanalysts@gmail.com. I will give you give me your email address. I'll give you back an email. That sets you up for the flash updates. If you want, give me a call, 718-351-2266. We'll talk about markets. We'll talk about what you need to get on the flash updates. We'll help you in any way. Remember, traders, I've been here and I will remain here, bridging the gap for you. I realize, and I've said this before, I know that it's difficult trading on your own. The environment where you used to be able to call a floor full of humans or a desk where there were a lot of people willing to help you in full service brokerage, those days are drying up. Somebody has to be out here helping you traders who aren't so professional at this figure out what to do. Sitting there at night placing your orders on the screen can be quite intimidating. And I am here to help you bridge that gap. The gap of the days of old when you had people to call and the trading floors and full service was in full swing and helping humans was so much a part of what went on. Well, those days are almost dried up. I don't think we have much time left. And now we're here typing in our orders. A lot of people are sitting by themselves. You guys need help with that. That's what I'm here for. I've been on both ends of this fence for a long, long time. I'm good at what I do. I show that to you guys all the time. Give me a call. Give me an email. I'll help you out. With that, my traders, Go get them. Happy Thursday. Hopefully we'll knock them clean again. Keep your eye on the omnis. Keep your stops in. Always place your stops first. Stop is your best friend. Good luck, traders. I'll speak to you tomorrow night.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck, trade.